Welcome to the best picks. The best quad box is probably one of the most impactful upgrades you can make to your car audio system. This subwoofer is engineered to deliver deep, resonant bass that you can feel, transforming your listening experience from ordinary to extraordinary. Whether you're a casual listener or an audiophile, the quad box promises to bring a new dimension of sound to your music, movies, and more. Number 5. Kicker 49L7TDF 12212L7T 2-ohm subwoofer enclosure. Introducing the Kicker L7T downfiring enclosure. This subwoofer is designed to deliver powerful bass. It's perfect for those who want great sound without sacrificing space. This enclosure features an ultra-thin design. It's a square subwoofer loaded in a custom-tuned box. This allows it to fit easily into various spaces. The tough downfiring enclosure is built with internal bracing. This design helps it resist stacking weight and scratches. You can pile up your cargo without worry. Equipped with a thin L7T solo barrack sub, it fits under seats, in trunks, or cargo areas. No grill is needed, saving you even more space. The L7T features forced air cooling. This creates high power handling and ensures ultra reliability. You can enjoy your music for a long time. What we like. This downfiring enclosure is designed to be ultra-thin, which means it can fit in tight spaces. It's perfect for those who want big bass without sacrificing cargo space. If you are looking for a powerful subwoofer that can fit under your seat or in your trunk, you should consider this one. What people say. Very loud, fairly tight bass. Louder than any round 12-inch sub for similar price and power handling. Sound is amazing. The bass is clean. The sub and kicker amp combination adds more bass than needed. It fits perfect under the back seat of my 2020 F-150 Super Crew. The quality seems solid. Number 4. Kicker DL7S 122 Dual 12 Subwoofers. Introducing the new Kicker DL7S 122, a powerhouse of sound. This subwoofer is designed to deliver an unparalleled audio experience, perfect for any music lover. The custom-engineered port design ensures optimal airflow. This feature enhances the bass response, providing a deep and rich sound that you can feel. Built with heavy internal bracing, this subwoofer is made to last. The robust construction minimizes distortion, ensuring a clean and powerful sound. Featuring a single 2-ohm terminal, it simplifies the wiring process. This design makes it easier to integrate into your existing car audio system. The Kicker DL7S 122 is designed for easy installation. You can quickly set it up and enjoy the superior sound quality it provides. What we like. This vented enclosure features a custom-engineered port design for optimal bass. The heavy internal bracing ensures durability and sound quality. If you want a subwoofer that delivers powerful bass with easy installation, you should consider this one. What people say. It is internally braced very well. It will handle 1500 watts RMS, which is more than you need. This particular setup is awesome because it comes loaded in a box with excellent quality craftsmanship and a beautiful embroidered logo and a single 2-ohm terminal that makes installation a breeze. Square subwoofers provide at least 20% additional of cone area and therefore deeper bass and a more rigid cone that increases the longevity of the speaker compared to round subwoofers. Although the power requirements are a little bit higher, it's worth it when you have limited space to work with. Number 3. Kicker 45DL7R 122 Dual 12L7R Loaded Enclosure. This is the Kicker L7R Loaded Enclosure. It's designed to give you world-class sound quality. You're just minutes away from the best bass you've heard. The L7R ports are engineered to deliver smooth, powerful bass. You won't experience the huffing sound found in inferior designs. All L7R enclosures are built with extensive internal bracing and thick MDF construction. The rounded corners add to its durability. Kicker's L7R square sub technology gives you up to 20% more cone area. This design helps deliver more powerful bass. This enclosure handles 1200 watts RMS. It's ready to deliver the deep, rich bass you crave. What we like. This enclosure is engineered to deliver world-class sound quality. The ports are designed to provide smooth, powerful bass. If you want a subwoofer that gives you more cone area than a round driver, you should consider this one. What people say. Still sound good as the day I purchased them. They have great quality. Very heavy but understandable, great quality, great bass. The subs came as described and work great. Good kicker product. Was easy to put in the back of a Jeep Wrangler. Number 2. Kicker 47QL7 R122 12-inch loaded quad box. Introducing the Kicker 47QL7 R122. This system is designed to make your ride rumble. It's all about delivering powerful bass effortlessly. With 2,400 watts of RMS power handling, this subwoofer system is built for serious sound. It's engineered to handle extreme levels, ensuring a powerful audio experience. This enclosure comes preloaded with 4 Kicker L7 or 12-inch subs. The port is perfectly tuned to 31 Hz, providing a serious bump without the need for a custom setup. Thick internal bracing keeps the enclosure stable, even at high volumes. It's covered in durable black carpet and features the Kicker logo, ensuring both durability and style. The QL7R12 is pre-wired to a pair of 2-ohm terminals for easy setup. Get ready to experience seriously loud, hardcore bass with this box. What we like. This quad box comes preloaded with 4 Kicker L7 or 12-inch subs, delivering a massive 2,400 watts of RMS power. The enclosure is designed for serious bass heads. If you want to make your ride rattle with earth-shaking bass, you should consider this one. What people say. It's a big subwoofer box measuring approximate 36 by 28 by 21 inches and should fit in most SUVs, even the small ones. You should measure to check. For dual 2-ohm L7 are subwoofers in a large box that can really put out some bass. The box is constructed of Baltic birch with internal bracing and threaded inserts for the subs. Number 1. Kicker 47QL7 or 1212 sub box with amplifier and install kit. This kicker bundle is designed to bring the ultimate audio experience to your vehicle. It includes everything you need for a booming sound system, delivering powerful bass that you can feel. The heart of this system is the 12 quad L7R subwoofer. It's built to handle serious power and deliver deep, impactful bass. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Powering the subwoofer is the Harmony Audio HA, a 1500.1 amplifier. This Class D mono amplifier provides 1500 watts RMS, ensuring the subwoofer gets the power it needs to perform. It delivers a frequency response from 10 Hz to 180 Hz. The bundle also includes a HA AK010GA amp install kit. This kit ensures you have everything needed for a clean and professional installation. It makes setting up the system simple and straightforward. With this kicker bundle, you'll transform your car audio. The combination of the powerful subwoofer, amplifier, and installation kit creates an immersive listening experience. Get ready to enjoy your music like never before. What we like. This bundle includes a quad L7 or subwoofer box, a high-power amplifier, and a complete install kit. It's designed for those who want a complete, high-performance bass system. If you are looking for a complete, ready-to-install bass solution, you should consider this one. What people say. This quad box bundle is a perfect match and you can't beat the price, and if you already have an amp hooked up it's even easier because you just swap it out and hook up the speakers, done. The box is big but not huge, it fit in the back of my 05-foot Yukon with room to spare and it's not even the XL. So friggin' loud, we'll post videos later. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.